Of course it's purple.
It's one of my favorite colors. Then we're gonna add a lighter purple.
Now that we've got our fins decorated, we're gonna insert them into these little fin guides that are gonna get attached to our rocket.
And this is what it looks like.
Good job. Very cool. Can you hand me that other one? Yeah, awesome. I cut holes in the bottom of this with those with that knife, and they get pushed up into it. Now we have to attach it to the rocket.
The bottle rocket.
Can you hand me a piece of that foil stuff?
Yes, I will.
Oh, one of these. Okay, I got it.
What's this funny thing for?
Okay, can you hold that for me just like this? Just like that. Awesome. Thank you, darling.
Why did you want that?
Because I need to tape it to
It's
sticky, huh?
yes, it's sticky. Told me to hold it like that. I folded it like this until you wanted me to undo it. Ooh, now it looks super glittery pretty.
Yeah, I think we need another small piece to hold this together. So why don't we take this one, cut it like that.
And
Hold it for me again. And can you stick it right along there, long ways? Perfect! Our rocket's starting to look pretty cool, huh?
oh yeah.
Okay, the next step that we need to do is we need to take this foam piece and stick it on right here. Oh, it's slightly too... That'll do. And let's get another little strip. Let's check the picture. Okay.
I'm making my thing look so beautiful by decorating it with this stuff. Shiny.
There we go. How's our rocket ship looking? What do you think?
Looks nice.
Now we take the cone and we put it on top. It's starting to really look like a rocket.
Yeah, it is. And in my box, it's starting to look really pretty.
I don't think it's the sturdiest rocket.
Well,
It'll do.
Well, it looks really cool, by the way.
Well, I'm liking it too. Okay, step 3. This is the part that gets tricky, and I'm gonna have to repeat this a couple of times. Okay,
We are back to the rocket building, and we are just about to launch it.
so what we're gonna do is the vinegar is gonna get poured inside the bottle,
Yep.
and what we have right here is a stopper and a tube. We're gonna put the baking soda inside the tube, and then it'll go together like this, And the baking soda in the tube is gonna start mixing with the vinegar inside here, and it's gonna do a chemical reaction. And do you know what's gonna happen with the chemicals?
No.
When the baking soda and the vinegar react, it's gonna create carbon dioxide. And inside...
I know about carbon dioxide.
Oh, do you?
I've heard the word before, but I didn't know what it was.
Well, it's a gas. And the gas is gonna build up inside the rocket until there's so much pressure that it goes whoosh. And then it's gonna launch our rocket. So are you ready to go launch?
Yep.
Woohoo!
Go.
Okay, so now we're ready to start the chemical reaction and launch our rocket. Can you hold this for me, darling? I'm gonna pour 1 cup of vinegar into the rocket.
Gotta hold it really tight.
Yep, hold it carefully. Okay, now I have my tube that is full of baking soda. Now back up a little bit, darling. And I'm trying to get this tube into the rocket without too much of it going in yet. There we go. Twist it, try to get it on there nice and tight. Dump it out. Oh.
That did not work.
Science fail!
Let's try it.
All right, go.
Okay, so we're our second attempt.
Hold you in.
For our third attempt, we're bringing in Daddy.
Yep, we are.
Okay, let's move over here a little bit.
To the launch zone. Something NASA is much better rocket than we are. You don't have to far away, darling. Closer. If you don't need to far away, closer, you'll see it. Well, it kind of worked. So, our rocket's all back. Look what happened to the nose.
Yep,
How
it
did-
cracked
And why do you think it cracked?
because it went so fast.
It went way up and it came down super duper hard and it cracked the nose when it landed. So rockets are very dangerous things. It's a good thing that we weren't standing nearby at the time, right?
Yeah, what would happen if we stand by?
It would bonk you on the head.
Yeah. And it will go all over my head and all the vinegar and soda, and my head would be splotched. And my clothes too.
Okay, so now that we're all done, did our rocket work the first time?
Nope.
Did it work the second time?
Nope.
Did it work the third time?
Nope.
What about the fourth time? No.
Fifth time?
The fifth time it worked. Did scientists get everything right the first time?
No.
So what do they have to do?
Keep on trying.
Good job. So one thing that we learned, was this a weak reaction or a powerful reaction?
Powerful reaction.
It was a lot stronger than we expected, wasn't it? So we had to use less baking soda and vinegar for it to work right. And we ended up having to get Daddy to help us because I couldn't get it in. But we worked it out. So if you want to be a scientist, you've got to be patient and you've got to be willing to try things over and over again, right?
Yep, and I want to be a scientist when I grow up.
Oh, do you now? Okay. Was there anything else that you learned? That was it?
Yep.
Okay. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead. Say what you want to say.
zebra.
Spent.
And I would have to pull out all my hair.
Well, that wouldn't be very good.
Yep, nope. That's the whole video, guys.